Welcome to So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and if you only ever use one sewing machine needle, then you never have to worry about what needle is in your machine. But chances are you are going to be like me and you're going to have many different needles because the needles really can make a big difference in your sewing. The only problem is then we need to remember what is in our machine. So I do have a few tips and a few notions that can help us stay organized, know what's in our machine, and store those needles that are still good for another project. It's nice that we're able to get all the different needles that we need to sew with, but keeping them organized sometimes can be a little difficult, especially the ones that are in the machine. So here are two examples of a very simple yet effective way of organizing them. The first one is needle noter. It is very simply a little dial, and on that dial you're going to see a little indicator. That indicator we are going to be able to line up. So we have a few different things that we can adjust. We have that center piece and that outside piece. So I'm going to line up the Microtech. I'm using a 70-10, so then I'll move that top gear to 70-10. So right now I know in my machine I have a Microtech 70-10, and I'm going to be able to adjust this for whatever is in my machine. This does come with some Velcro, so we could Velcro this right onto our machine and adjust it whenever we take those needles in and out. The other one is a pillow. Now this pillow we're going to be able to use keeping our needles as well as knowing where our needles are going to go. So on the side of the pillow we have the needle. On the top we have the size. So in my case I am using my Microtech and it is a 70-10. So there is my still good to use needle. If I've already used the needle, I don't want to put it back in the package, but it's still a good needle, so this will work. Now we could take a plain straight pin or a decorative straight pin and identify what needle is in the machine. So I do have a quilting needle in my machine, and it's a heavy one. It is 11/16. So now I've identified the needle that's in the machine, and I have a spot for my used needles, but are still good. Now I do have an idea on how we're going to take all of these things and get us organized. And it's going to involve one of these really fun thimbles that are used for pencils or tools. I'm going to use them to keep my needles in. So I can put all of my needles right inside and fit that pillow right on top. And since I'm storing needles in there, it's always nice if we have a helping hand. And I really love this little tool here. It is a 3-in-1 tool. There's a thread cutter on one side. We do have two little areas here that if we have a hand sewing needle that's a little tough to get through, this is going to replace our thumb. But what I like it the most for is this little hole right here that I could put that needle in, hold the needle by just pushing this little piece down. I can line the back of that needle up and put this now right into the machine. So I'm not trying to hold that little needle while I'm putting it into the machine. I'm going to be able to use that, push it in, and do the same thing and take the old one out. So this I would leave in there. But you can get another one where the needle fits into this little end. So we're able to put that in and out of the machine. And in this side, there's a needle threader. So this will thread the thread through the needle. So that's a nice one to add in. Now I have discovered that some of the containers that are for sour cream, cream cheese, stuff like that can fit inside. Some of the lids will fit on top. This one was just a little bit small, but I was able to cut off that container and it just fits. Some of them will actually fit right inside, but I could now take that and glue that pillow on if I'd like. If you do not want to put this on your machine, you can put it right here on top. A little paint, and I think this would be a lot of fun. So we have a fun thimble to keep our needles in, fun accessories that help us put the needle into the machine, keeping track of our used but still good needles, and identifying what needle is already in our machine. I'll put some links in the description so that you can check them out. And as always, thank you for joining me today on So Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram. I have a newsletter. It's all free under So Very Easy. And be sure to make every day a organized, so-tacular day. Bye for now.